Hello dear children, welcome back to your science class. So let us discuss calculation of molecular mass. Molecular mass of sodium hydroxide and potassium sulfate. For this, the chemical formula of sodium hydroxide NaOH is written as 23. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Since sodium hydroxide molecule contains one atom of sodium and one atom of oxygen and one of hydrogen, so we will just add it by writing the molecular mass 23 plus 16 plus 1. So answer is 40. The chemical formula of potassium sulfate is K2SO4. So atomic mass of K is 39. Oxygen is 16. Since potassium sulfate molecules contain 2 atoms of potassium, 1 atom of sulfur and 4 atoms of oxygen, the molecular mass after calculating, you get it as 174 unit. The chemical formula of sodium oxide is Na2O. Atomic mass of sodium is 23. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. In one formula unit, there are 2 sodium atoms and an oxygen. Thus, the formula unit mass 2 multiplied by 23 plus 1 multiplied by 16. Final answer, you get it as 62 units. 1 mole of substance that can be atom, molecule, ion is that quantity in number having a mass equal to its atomic molecular mass. This means that 1 mole of atom of any substance contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 ions. Hence, the mass of a particular substance is fixed. The mole concept, the number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 is an experimentally obtained value and is known as Avogadro's number. 1 mole atom of an element has mass equal to the gram atomic mass. The atomic mass of an element is mass of its atom in atomic mass. By taking the same numerical value of atomic mass and changing units from U to G, the mass of 1 mole of atom is obtained. Similarly, the molecular mass of substance gives the mass of a molecule of that substance in atomic mass, that is U. Therefore, as discussed earlier, by taking same numerical value, the molecular mass, and by changing its unit from U to G, the mass of 1 mole molecule of that substance can be obtained.